Yeah, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking about 3 upcoming altcoins I want you guys to pay attention to by the time they come out. And if you do got the opportunity to get into it, you might want to consider getting into it, because I can't give you guys financial advice, of course, right? So before we get into talking about all of that, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 20k subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. Comment what you guys think about these 3 down below, and while you guys are down here, you guys can hit that link to join the Discord to continue the crypto conversation we're having daily. You guys can DM me to get into some upcoming projects private sales. As you guys may have noticed, we have been getting into some bangers, and the first one on this list we actually did get into the private sale of. So if you guys do not want to miss out on no other upcoming projects private sales, join that Patreon, join the Discord, and let's get right into the video, guys. So the first play is called Cookie. Now Cookie is pioneering MarketFi with AI data layer, a transparent marketing economy unlocking value for Web3 users, creators, and businesses. With over 170 dApps, it's actually more than that now, right? Cookie is building a set of MarketingFi platforms and Web3 AI marketing solutions that connect projects with the right audience, creating a profitable opportunity for both. Now, you guys remember I told you guys TARS was going to be a huge AI play this cycle, right? Nuke is going to be another good AI play this cycle, and I told you there was a third one. Cookie is that third one. Guys want a piece of that cookie. Well, no Diddy, of course, right? But as of right now, they raised $5.5 million with Animoco, and you guys can see ChainGPT, PokerStarter. So they are going to be on ChainGPT's launchpad and PokerStarter's launchpad. We'll show you guys that later on, and of course you got some other ones here that you guys can go ahead and look into. Now let's just get more into Cookie right now. Like I told you guys, it has over 170 dApps, but as you guys can see, it is now 300 dApps integrated. They're getting like 2 dApps daily that is joining their ecosystem, and this ecosystem right now is pretty big, right? You guys can go ahead and look in all the projects and all the layers it's on, from base and all of that over here. You guys can see the campaign layers that they have over there, the integrated dApps from Lingo. We told you guys Lingo is going to be looking like a pretty good one. Games is looking like another great play, right? You got Magic Square. This is going to be the dApp store right now. There's a lot over here that you guys can go ahead and look into. It's a lot going on for Cookie, and it has me very bullish on these guys, right? So used by 300 plus dApps, 20 chains, 1 billion plus wallets, 14 billion transactions. So Cookie is looking very good, and I told you guys the TG is coming up, and for the time of recording it is 9 days, but shows on the 13th, so this could be a week from now on. I think I'm gonna upload this within 2 days of me just making this video right now. So you guys do still have time to prepare yourselves for this, because they will be doing their IDO on PokerStarter and an IDO on ChainGPT. So you'll need the tokens for both, either one that you guys want to join into. I don't know which one is going to give you the better returns, because I haven't used either one in terms of IDOs, but this is something that you guys need to pay attention to. And as you guys can see, this is something that we're going to be talking about, because this is very important, because this could become a low market cap altcoin, just like TARS and all of them, right? You look at the initial values here. You look at the initial values. The initial market cap for this is going to be $1.66 million, FDV of 28 million. So this could have a crazy run up in the early life cycle of it, man. Could really have it a crazy run. So pay attention to this one. Let's get into the second one, which is Carve. Carve is actually getting a lot of traction right now. It is fairly new, so I can see why a lot more people are really talking about it, and they are pushing their node cells. So a lot of people are looking into the node cells. So let's get into what Carve is. Carve is a Web3 identity startup that developing a Web3 ID solution that combines Web2 and Web3 gaming data to create unique user ID. But it goes farther deeper than that. Cointelegraph did drop an article, which we're going to look at right now. So this article is just written this month here. But Carve is a modular data layer built for gaming and AI work to decentralize the data landscape by giving control back to the users. It aims to transform how data is used by putting users into the driver's seat, allowing them to own, monetize, share data across decentralized interoperable environments. In a bid to support decentralization, Carve is set to launch their sale of their verifier nodes for its community. So they're pushing their nodes heavily as of right now. So a lot of people have been pretty much getting into their nodes. Now, integrated with 40 blockchains in more than 700 games and AI companies, Carve hosts an ecosystem with a user base that exceeds 2.5 million. The project aims to break down identity silos and lays the foundation for a user-owned internet where individuals can have an equitable share in the value distribution. So Carve is looking pretty good, especially for looking for what they want to do, especially within games and AIs that they have in their ecosystem. And this ecosystem is already growing. Now, when you look into the games, they already have 780 game partners here, right? So this can continue to grow, and they have a lot more going on within the identity layer. So that means you're using your space ID, things like that from up here, right? The storage layer, they're going to be using Arweave. Then they got Aval here for data availability, and Celestia for data availability as well. You got the execution layer here, so they're going to be on all these type of chains here, and you're going to be able to execute transactions on those chains. Then you got the infrastructure and AI layers here, and then the verification layer. So right now, Carve is looking pretty huge. It's looking like this is one of those altcoins you don't want to miss. These are one of these altcoins that you guys call a tier 1 altcoin. They're going to have long vesting, right? High FDV, but have true staying power in this space as of right now. Now, the last project I have for you guys is called Play AI. Play AI is a Web3 platform that rewards gamers for sharing their gaming data, which is used to train AI models. It provides developers with a high quality data and infrastructure to deploy AI agents and models, leveraging blockchain for secure and transparent access to diverse data sets. Additionally, Play AI incentivizes users with exclusive rewards for contributing their gameplay data. So those that play a lot of games could really use Play AI, right? They're going to be sharing their game data, and they're going to be getting rewarded probably within the Play AI token. And as you guys can see, how much they raised last month, 4.3 million. That's not a lot, right? But you guys can see Zentry here. Zentry is getting talked about a lot as of right now as a good altcoin, right? And in here, of course, you guys can see Sandeep. Now, you guys should already know who Sandeep is by now. So when you head over to their website, this website looks fairly interesting as of right now, right? The arc of play, intelligent, personalized, and immersive experience, right? You guys scroll down, you guys can stream, own, and earn, and scroll down a little bit more. Right now, this is going to be their module set as of right now. Play Dojo, training grounds where the models take shape with compute and trustless evaluations from our dojo nodes. Then you got the Play Hub, the flywheel, where gaming AI launched using their Play AI SDK are ranked and rewarded by the network. So there's going to be a lot of things going into it for Play AI. I will be doing an in-depth video on Play AI because I do feel like this is going to be one of those interesting gaming chains out there for gaming, essentially, right? But I want to know what you guys think, though. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed there yet, please do so. We're on the road to 20K subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.